Okay, good morning everyone or good afternoon. This is Zainab Fayaz. I'm here for your language class and we are gonna continue it. Everyone should maintain their copies. This is for class 4 to 8. I repeat, this is for class 4 to 8, class 4, class 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay? Okay. Now, the day we have stopped on a language class was I did it from the class 5th and for class 6th. They have written something like myself, introduction, and all, and even class 8B. Okay, you guys who have already maintained their copy should continue on the same copies, and those who have not even started the language class before will like sorry will continue, will make a new copy. Okay, and on the new copy that should be a single page. Okay, 100 pages matlab simple book which you write, that should okay. And for the fourth class you can write on the 4-line copies like the red one and the blue line wala. Okay. Now other than that, that is the structure how we are gonna study. Next is I want to ask you if you are comfortable to understand in this language only, or you want to change this language in Hindi or Urdu. Let me know in your comment sections. Okay. And other than that, if you have any question, please just write on my comment section. I will answer it. Okay, so let's start the lecture. Everyone ready? Okay. Now, before we start the lecture, put your pens and copies down. I hope so you are not putting any copies or books in your hands because you are at home. So, yeah. Okay, let's start the lecture. Our class today is language class. Okay, so anyone, this is our first topic, language class. This is our subject. Okay, I will just edit it. Subject. Okay. This is our first chapter. Okay, and this is your first question. Okay, so you might be thinking, what did ma'am did? Even after explaining the lecture, she start questioning us. Okay, don't worry, I will explain you first. Okay, language class. What is a language? Introduction to language. Our first chapter is introduction to language. Language class, what does language help us do? Okay, there are different kinds of language. Okay, you know how many languages are there in the world? There are more than 1,000 languages in the world. Okay, approximately. And yet people in how is a language divided area by area? How you gonna say it? Because the language is divided by the region. Okay, in India people speak Hindi, people speak Urdu, people speak Marathi, Malayalam, okay, English. And other than part of the India's world, they even speak French, they even speak Swedish, they even speak Persian. Okay, so this class is about how languages are divided in different part of the region and how we gonna adopt different languages in other regions. Okay, right now we are in Kargil. So in Kargil we have our own national language, that is Balti. Not a national language, but we can call it local language. So here people are using it since they were born here and they live here. But there is always a but. But what's the problem is? There is no problem using your local language. There is a problem that you don't adapt other languages other than your local language. So you should continue your local language. I really appreciate Balti language, but you should continue to adapt other language, just like Urdu, Hindi, English. Okay, so people are here are you know don't adapt that. So we are studying this language class to identify what are the causes that people are not still adapting English in the 21st century. Okay, okay, so what is a language? Language, okay, language is a form of what? So that two individuals form, that two individuals means any individual, not only human being, even the animals have their own language. So I am talking about the whole language in this whole world. Okay, no matter if it's spoken or not spoken, the languages of animals, they can speak it, they can say it. Okay, but we can't learn it. That's the difference. Okay, so do individual might be a human, might be an animal, might be a bird. Okay, so language is a form that two individuals connect with each other, sorry, connect with each other in the form of dialogues. Okay, now see, what is a language? Language is a form that two individuals connect each other in the form of dialogues. Okay, in the form of dialogues they connect with each other. Okay, this is the answer of what is a language. Now what does it mean? Look, if there is you and me, a teacher and a student, okay, a parent and his son, a parent and his daughter, a parent and his child. Okay, so they have a dialogue between each other. So did you have you ever experienced that you are not understanding what the parent is saying or what the teacher is saying, because the way they are saying it is too far different? You can't understand the what do you say, the body language. Okay, okay, there are two types of languages. Tell me, what are the two types of languages? What are the two types of languages? Okay, sorry, language. Okay, two types of language. Tell me first. The two types of languages are, the two types of languages are, what are the two types of language? The first one is body language and spoken language. Okay, now what is a body language and a spoken language? Tell me. Okay, a body language is about gestures. What is it about? Gestures. Okay, so I will start another topic from here. Body language. Body language is about okay, body language, body. Okay, body language is about gestures. Okay, body language is one individual speak through his gestures. Okay, now what is a gesture? I will just underline this. No. Okay. Now, what is gestures? Have you ever heard the term gesture? Okay, I will tell you what is gesture. Gesture is the face you make when you don't like something, the face you make when you are happy about something, the language you speak without saying something. Okay. For example, your parents, one mama is saying to bring you this and that, and you are like, why me? Okay, so that is the gesture. Mom can tell you that what are you feeling without even you are saying. So the gesture is about. So did you get what is gesture? Gesture is the face, the body language you make without saying anything. The face you make, okay, when you are happy, when you are sad, when you are angry. Okay. Okay, for class 4th this is enough. Okay, baki 4th and 5th this is enough. Baki 6, 7, 8 please continue with me. Okay, body language. Now next is spoken language. Now what is the spoken language? Can anyone tell me what is the spoken language? Spoken language. Okay, what is a spoken language? A spoken language is two individuals connect with each other by dialogues. Now you might be thinking, what is the difference between a language and a spoken language? There is no difference between a language and a spoken language, but a language can be both sides. It can be a body language, it can be a spoken language. So if it's a just one individual, okay, and he is speaking through his gestures, then it is a body language. But other than that, if there are two individuals who are connected by dialogues, okay, that is called a spoken language. Okay, we will stop here, and tomorrow I will continue this. This is our first chapter, remember, introduction to language. Okay, your homework is I might write here. Homework, I will give you 2 words, okay, with their meanings, and you have to make a sentence on it. That is your daily homework. Okay, other than that, today's homework is you have to write a paragraph on your own local language, that is Balti. Okay, you have to write a paragraph on your own local language. Now everyone knows what is Balti. Balti is Kargili, when what you speak at home, what you speak at class with your friends, that is that language is called Balti. Now this class is over. You can continue with it, but I want your copies to be maintained, to be checked. Okay, there should be no lacking behind. Every day I will give you 2 new words, and you should be making a sentence on it. Okay, today this is our first lecture, that is why I am not giving you any words. From tomorrow we will start wording, we will start making sentences. Okay, if there is any problem, there's something you can't understand, you want to change the language, please let me know in the comment sections. Thank you, have a nice day.